Starting around 08 November 2023, Pretty Smooth Love Mixture essentially is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.56% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought. SLP generally has a truly all-out market cap of $98,526,964, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,119,429, which especially is genuinely huge. This sort of makes extremely smooth love elixir, SLP, certainly positioning at 284 in the cryptographic money market, which by and large is very critical. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, smooth love mixture, essentially be worth in 2023, or so they certainly thought. Is somewhat smooth love mixture a very wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will SLP cost in a real sense outperform its untouched sort of high in a sort of large manner? These truly are a really smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP''S' future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the fundamentally smooth love elixir conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost by and large is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0.002, the normal sort of least value worth of for the most part smooth love mixture, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to sort of be $0.002. Showing how basically is truly smooth love mixture a genuinely wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, SLP can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.002, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of sort of smooth love mixture for the most part is estimated to be at around a really least worth of $0.002. The smooth love mixture value worth can sort of arrive at an essentially limit of $0.002, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. SLP value estimate September 2023, with respect to September 2023, kind of smooth love mixture, essentially is supposed to explicitly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.002. The SLP cost could generally arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.002, with the extremely normal cost around $0.002 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for really smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, which especially is very huge. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love mixture truly is somewhat anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $0.002 and a by and large least of $0.002, which really shows that SLP value figure September 2023 with respect to September 2023. By and large, smooth love mixture especially is supposed to for the most part arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.002 in a genuinely significant manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for pretty smooth love elixir in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The genuinely smooth love potion-S cost especially has shown a by and large great increment of 3% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting how while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $0.002, which generally is very critical. Smooth Love Elixir is confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, so SLP value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, truly smooth love mixture is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.002 in a truly significant manner. The SLP truly is down to nearly 7.67% in the sort of most recent 7 days, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every practical sense, recent days, the coin could have areas of strength for really at the same time, we don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in every way that really matters diminished by 20.201%, disposing of an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.000604001 from its certainly current worth, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a decent certainly purchase a potential open door for fast venture. Further appearance how kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love elixir in every practical sense is generally anticipated to truly arrive at a really normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0.002 and at least $0.002, which most certainly shows that SLP value gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, beautiful smooth love elixir certainly is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.002. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 18.93%, and the cost generally flowed from an in every practical sense, least sort of normal cost of $0.003 to kind of greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in the in every practical sense, recent days, demonstrating the way that the SLP cost could explicitly arrive at an all things considered most extreme cost of $0.002 with the really normal cost around $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. In sort of most recent 4 months sort of smooth love elixir really has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002, which sort of is very huge. In this way, we for the most part believe that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, so extremely smooth love elixir by and large is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins, so SLP value conjecture September 2023, concerning September 2023. Essentially smooth love mixture for the most part is supposed to sort of arrive at a very least value worth of $0.002, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the in a real sense the most recent information